Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on a Ford Flex. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure your Ford Flex is parked on a level surface and the engine has warmed up slightly. Now, locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and position your drain pan directly beneath it. Once the drain pan is in place, carefully remove the oil drain plug and let all the old oil drain completely. This usually takes several minutes. Next, use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old oil filter. Be ready for a small amount of oil to spill. After the oil has drained, clean the drain plug area thoroughly and reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about a quarter turn more with your wrench. Now, locate the oil fill cap on top of the engine. Using a funnel, carefully pour in the recommended type and amount of new oil for your Ford Flex, typically around 6 quarts. After adding the new oil, replace the oil fill cap. Then, check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Start the engine and let it run for a minute, checking for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Finally, remember to reset your Ford Flex's oil life monitor. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.